Good morning children. Welcome to your language class. Today we will continue with the same topic, punctuations. Our next punctuation is semicolon. Semicolon marks a longer pause than a comma. As I said in the previous video, comma is the shortest pause in the sentence. This is greater than comma and it is marked as this, dot and then comma. See some rules. Semicolon is used to separate a series of short clauses. Short clauses can be separated with the help of semicolon. He came, he brought flowers, he sang a birthday song. Three words are here and they are worked together in a compiled way. Like he came, he brought flowers, he sang a birthday song. We have separated these short clauses with the help of semicolon. Next example, they were neighbors, they were friends, they became relatives. Again, three clauses are here and we are separating these three clauses with the help of semicolons. Now the next point, semicolon is used to separate pairs of words like right and right, die, die, whole, whole. What are these children? These are examples of homophones. Separate words to phrases in a list when they contain comma. This semicolon is also used to separate words or phrases in a list when they already contain comma. Now see, she bought vegetables such as, a list is here such as potatoes, onions and cabbage. Then fruits such as bananas, grapes and oranges. And some household items. This is a list and we are separating the words and phrases with the help of semicolon. See, one is here, second is here. Next point, it is used to separate parts of a sentence which have already been separated by a comma. I can tell you about the test. The example is, I can tell you about the test paper. It was difficult. Secondly, it was lengthy. See, the two phrases here are, two parts of sentences here are separated with the help of semicolon. Now next heading is, a colon indicates a longer pause than indicated by semicolon. First point, the colon is used to introduce a list. See the example. You must bring the following things tomorrow: a scissor, 4 graph papers, practical notebook and a geometry box. A list I am giving that these things you will bring. Therefore, I have used here. Next example, you can choose any one topic. A day at the zoo, scene at marketplace or visit to the museum. Again, a list of few topic is given here. Therefore, or that's why we have used here colon. Now next point is, the colon is used to introduce an explanation or statement. Example 1, working in the office can mean working late hours, reporting to office in the time and dress up in formal clothes. This is explanation of few points. And now the next example, the agreement means, explanation of the agreement, colon is here. You have to work with this company only and you cannot start a business of your own. Now next punctuation mark is, next is quotation mark. Quotation marks are symbols which signify opening and closing of a quote. This is used to separate direct speech from the rest of the sentence part. Now see the example. The officer declared, quotation mark, voting is over. Now see the next example. I said, let me get some fresh air. These two are direct sentences. We have separated the reported speech with the help of these quotation marks. Quotation marks are also used to mention the name of a book or an article in a sentence. Now see the example. Have you read Oliver Twist? This is name of a book, and that is why I have written this name of a book in quotation mark. But remember, in such cases we will use only single quotation mark. Now we will continue with the rest 3 punctuation marks.